Hello, everyone. Welcome to your week 3 assignment. You will see that the format is very similar to your weeks 1 and 2 assignment in the sense that you are redesigning prior work with a particular focus. And for this week, you will be focusing on the learning and innovation skills that come from the framework for 21st century learning and student assessment. So again, you may use prior work that you used in your redesign for week 1 or the week 2 assignment. You don't have to find brand new prior work if the prior work you selected works for this assignment. I would encourage you to pick prior work that is some kind of instructional plan that includes assessments. And if it doesn't have a summative assessment, that's fine because you can, that could be part of your redesign. So like I was saying, your redesign this week is focused on the learning and innovation skills and how we can do that with a summative assessment. So the first thing that you're going to do in the redesign as you're looking at your instructional plan is to ensure alignment and mastery. So you're going to create a summative assessment for your redesign. If there already is a summative assessment in there, that is fine, but you just want to make sure you include in the redesign how it is aligned to specific skills, the Common Core state standards and objectives, and includes criteria for mastery. So that is where you can highlight and make sure it includes those components. And then the other part of the redesign within your instructional plan with assessments or, a full assessment plan, whatever you're using for your from your prior work, is to make sure that that summative assessment you create does include specific learning and innovation skills that come from either or each of creativity and innovation, critical thinking and problem solving, and communication or collaboration. So I wanted to pull up the framework here and just to show you where you're working from. So here is the learning and innovation skills that we're going to be focusing on. And then you've got creativity and innovation. You've got the critical thinking and problem solving, communication and collaboration. So you're going to be looking at these to see how you're going to redesign a summative assessment to include one or all three of these. So then you'll discuss the changes by sharing, what you modified, and then evaluate and reflect. And I want to stress that in the announcements, I once again created a template for you so that you could follow. So be sure that you're using that. The very first part is the conclusion is the introduction. You're just going to put that information here. So that aligns with the summary here, the introduction and then conclusion. So here's your conclusion. Here's the redesign section. This is where you'll copy and paste your prior work and then highlight where you're making those changes for the summative assessment component. Then the modification, you'll tell me, in at least one paragraph, what are the changes that you made to meet the redesign expectations for this assignment. So tell me again, how did you change the summative assessment to ensure that alignment and mastery, as well as the learning and innovation skills. And then don't forget to pick at least 2 PLOs from your master's program to show how your redesign shows evidence for your own mastery. Then you'll evaluate how your assessment promotes learning and innovation skills, assess how it could be used as a tool for ongoing evaluation of student progress, and evaluate how it could be used as a guide for teacher and student decision making. Then the other component is reflection in one paragraph. You're going to summarize your experience with the redesign in terms of challenges you encountered and how you overcame those challenges, and then provide a conclusion. Do not forget, for references, you must have 3 scholarly sources in addition to your textbook. So that means I should see 4 sources cited here, and then it needs to be cited within your work. So I would encourage you, as you're explaining the modifications and evaluating your redesign, this is where I should see a lot of your in-text citations to support your discussion with regards to what you're modifying and evaluating. So again, you can snatch this template within the announcement I provided, but if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care.